Mabalik ka talaga.
Wala akong pasang bukas yun.
Good.
Balik ako.
Wala rin kang pasok bukas.
Wala ka naman trabaho eh.
Sino mabasa?
Ayun mo yan.
Alin?
Ngayon.
Ngayon?
Live.
Hi.
Ay sa mga fans ko sa Amerika.
Ngayon kayo siyang...
Sabi ko.
Ano ulit?
Mali. There's no.
There.
TH.
There's no easy ways.
There's no. N.
Ano kasi?
S muna. Ayan.
Mali, wala kang
May S
post.
ba yun?
Wala kang post
There's
eh.
no easy way.
Hindi, okay lang.
No,
Okay lang.
no,
Okay
no.
lang.
No.
Okay na yan. Okay na. Space.
Meron na.
Ah, no.
No.
Tawag ka.
Ayan. Yan. Karaoke sa baba. Pinakababa.
Meron na eh.
Yan.
James Ingram.
Ingro.
Kailan mo?
Ito na.
Ingro.
Best ever kontra kulog. Ayan, kulog-tuloy. Pwedeng walang kulog with Downy's Best ever kontra kulog. With deep action antibac. Para sa bangong parang tinayo sa araw.
Ilang shots yan? Mga 14,000?
Bait! Tantanan mo yung kaka-video call. Istorbo ka. Istorbo ka. Video kita. Ingat ka dyan, Ben. Love you.
Apat.
Held her close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just knew the best she could. But there are times the best is no that good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you to leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I told her she'd be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I had to do it, 'cause I said anything to help me get through it. She just reached out for my hand, and her simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, don't take off, 'cause of you. All the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. When it comes apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Feel like getting angry and make me feel like a guilty child. And I realize that never was her style. Ang ganda ng video. I wanted her to hurt me and never treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say that she's something. I come running for peace and ask her back again. But she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and made me feel. And I guess somebody's heart. Amen.
Sa may San Fernando.
Malapit na ba yan? Malapit na ba yan?
Oh, kung mag-i-ellipse ka, pag-exit mo ng San Fernando.
Maraming likes yan. Nakita na? Maraming likes yan.
Gusto ko maging strong katulad niya. Keep trying. Get stronger. Cheese Whiz.
Sa likod ng mall siya. Ang galing nga eh. SM Pampanga.
Ano ma?
Likod, yung
Ano, kuya yung ano, medley.
Tapat ng SM, Robinson.
Medley.
Yung Robinson na yun, doon ginurap yung rally niya.
Medley. Puro mic lang, wala echo. Big! Mga side A naman. Hi, hello.
Yung practice ko eh.
Haba ng medley.
Parang naman kanta yata yung River Maya.